Let's talk about burnout. You do not have to be working around the clock to feel frustrated. It happens simply from working against your natural strengths. And if you and your team's energy and productivity are getting zapped by the wrong tasks, this is for you. I'm Andrea Schlapia, CEO and founder of Ironstone Business Coaching, and I am so excited to be a part of this year's 2025 Raymond James Practice Intelligence Workshop next month in Nashville. And I've got a game-changing solution for you. It's focused all on organizational health. Our breakout session is going to be Thursday, November 6th, 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. local, the 6 types of working genius. This is not, I repeat, not a personality test. It's 80% productivity tool. Your working geniuses reveal the tasks that give you energy, and your working frustrations show where the energy is being depleted. So when you operate outside of your natural gifts too long, even the simplest work is going to feel exhausting. I want you to keep your eye out on your email for a link from my team to complete the 10-minute Working Genius Assessment. It's only 10 minutes. You can do it. And remember to print your report and bring it with you to the session. So in our 90 minutes together, you're going to learn concrete strategies to leverage your strengths and to build resilient, fulfilled, and high-performing teams. You're going to discover your personal widget. So whether you're driven by wonder, invention, discernment, galvanizing enablement, or tenacity, we'll figure out your geniuses, your competencies, and your frustrations. So mark your calendars now, November 6th, 10:30 a.m. Let's unlock your full potential and build a high-performing business that you'll love leading again. I can't wait to see you in Nashville.